Hi guys, I'm going to try to do another video on lead trace. It's a good old sun trap up there, and look, I actually broke sweat. That's all sweat from my beer belly. Yeah, it's really hot. As you're going to see, I sort of sound as fed up, exhausted and almost dying. I hope it's going to be clear enough. It's just another video of doing a lead trace around the flat roof. Okay, stay tuned. So first thing first, I'm drilling in and chopping sections for about 3 bricks time all the way around, and I got this little parapet to link up with neighbor's parapet as well. And there you go, it's all drilled out, and now just gonna break it all up and clear it, ready to insert first trace. As you can see, I'm drilling out sections of 3 or 4 bricks and then leaving 2 or 3 bricks in between. It's all cleared out, ready to install trays. Trays already there, and also I've done this linking tray over our parapet, tucked in underneath neighbor's cupping. First set of trays are done. Just to remind, the flushing itself has been done a while ago, as in when we finished the flat roof, so it was pretty much weathered, and then we concentrate on inside work. Now inside work is all done, and I jumped out on the roof just to finish all these bits and bobs. And here are in between trays now, and where we got these 2 upstands, I got my little Union U-channel with back upturned, so if anything falls onto it, it's not going to let it drip pass, so it goes as a cleat over, and that's it. So anything comes down from cavity, it's going to hit that little union and it's going to drip, get diverted into either one of the trays. And then that's a little fold on the end. I sort of fold it slightly on an angle backwards in, so this one will be brought together, cleated with this, and then dressed and then folded in and around onto itself on a slight angle, something as that, and then just follow through and fold it all the way, and that's it. That's folded in, and there is no water. It's not going to be able to get in to that joint. Brick, weep, and then slightly reduced brick in size, and then push all the pug into the joints. Easy. Another little thing I forgot to mention is where we got now pug underneath the lead, and then pug on top of the lead. These old Imperial bricks are getting a bit tight in there, so what I'm doing is I'm just chipping front edge. Obviously if you're gonna have face brickwork, you wouldn't chip it with a hammer. You would use like a little angle grinder and just slim down front edge for about 1/2 inch, 10mm 1/2 inch. But don't do the back edge, because back edge will sit fairly tight to the brick above, and then that will help you pushing pug in. And then when you push pug in off, so you hold one trowel on like that, and then you use this jointing trowel to slide off and push in. Don't push pug towards the back, push it towards, if you're right-handed, push it towards right, so you pick it up, push it to right, and what you do, you sliding pug in and you pushing into the right like that, and you keep building to the right and you keep going to the left if you're right-handed. If you're left-handed, same thing,
just opposite. Keep the back edge of the lead free of pug. You don't want any pug there. If you got deeper frogs, you can preload them with pug before putting in. Little jiggle. Now, because this had Tyrolin on, it's all going to be cleaned up from this ivy and will be painted. I'm trying to do some like coarse flush brushed off finish, so once it's painted sort of blends in better. I'm not doing any fancy joints on it. Sorry. So yeah. So now that looks better. So preloaded pug. And you can see my angle, I'm actually pushing against the right hand side. And once it's dried up a bit, just brush it all off. and corner. As I said, with this Tyrolean finish, I'm really leaving it like a coarsely brushed off. I don't want to highlight that joint at all. I want to make it sort of, once it's painted, so it sort of blends with that as much as it can, really. And then once it's all brushed off and cleaned, old rag and a bit of patination oil on the lead, it's gonna make it all nice uniformed. Right, let's take it all up.